And here it is, guys. Today is the day. Today I will be showing you the all-new Mercedes-Benz Vision V, and here we have it. I will be doing a full exterior walk around, showing you all the highlights of this brand new Mercedes-Benz Vision car. We'll be also showing you a bit of the inside and finish it all off with a resume. So let's get on and let's start with today's video. This is Mercedes-Benz idea of what they are going to present us by the year of 2026. This is the Vision V. In the future, we will be seeing this car coming into production, and it will be based on the Mercedes-Benz Van EA, the electric architecture, but at this point I also need to mention that it's just an option. There will be both electric version and a combustion engine, so it's all up to you as an option. We will be talking about the Vision V. I will be showing you all the highlights. We will be starting with the outside, especially when it comes to all the design highlights and features, and then we will be continuing with the interior, which is extremely special. Mercedes-Benz is not even calling it a van anymore. This is a spacious, luxurious limousine, and I will be showing you why in a bit, because just talking about the side profile, the sleek, extremely cool looking design of this new Vision V is quite impressive and really cool, extremely sleek yet very elegant, and there's quite a lot of things that I love already about this car. But let's get on and let's start with the front. The Vision V, guys, look at this. Extremely dominant, just by the way they designed it. Let me highlight you a few of my main things that I love about this car. Just looking at the headlights, extremely sleek and yet very cool with the Mercedes-Benz stars integrated in the headlight unit. Cool animations also here. We have the illuminated and standing Mercedes-Benz star on a V, is pretty cool. We have the full front panel here, is also illuminated. I think only where market conditions allow at this point. In Germany, this is not legal, but I think in the US it's all okay. The front, you can already recognize the regular V-Class look, but I mentioned it, it's not a van, it's more of a luxurious and spacious limousine, as Mercedes-Benz loves to call it. The cool thing about this is it's extremely luxurious and really dominant and nice looking. We have quite a lot of chrome details, and just look at those wheels. Wow, I love them. Also, you can recognize these pretty cool power domes first. Second thing is, just look at that side line here. We already seen that on the E-Class, for example. You see that here, merging in a body and then reconnecting here in the front again is pretty cool. And then quite a lot of chrome bits and pieces. And my main highlight when looking at the side, obviously the monoblock-like looking wheels here, 24 inches, pretty cool, even illuminated at this point, full chrome, and you can already guess in which direction Mercedes-Benz is moving. I mean, Mercedes has already shown us the exclusive line for a V-Class, yes, but that's not enough. I mean, in the US or in China, there's quite a lot of Mercedes-Benz V-Class Maybach fakes, and I think Mercedes-Benz giving us this car shows us that going to be an extremely good selling car, in my opinion, because this is what people need. Let me show you more. The interior is full of pretty cool things, which we will be explore in a second. Before, let me just show you the rear. Yet again, pretty cool, sleek design here. I love it, honestly. The way they did it here in the back with the lights all around. You can also have cool animations here. We have the Vision V emblem here, the Mercedes-Benz star. It's pretty cool. The way they finished it, here you can see the indicator, for example. It's really, really interesting, quite impressive. What do you guys think about the first appearance and first look of the Vision V? I mean, yeah, from the outside it looks quite spectacular, right? Extremely dominant, really nice, sleek, yet elegant. But let me show you what makes this car even more interesting. And all of that we have in the inside. Just look at this. Wow! Even a running board here for easy entrance. Just look at that. Extremely spacious, a lot of space, giving us the perfect luxury experience here. I mean, in the inside, we have this really cool and nice looking living room kind of feeling with quite a lot of gadgets that I will be highlighting within the next few minutes. But just as a first look, even as a driver here, pillar to pillar display, full screen. We have the latest Mercedes-Benz operating system. The seats look quite unique, full leather finish, all white in the inside. And yeah, just look at that. We have an additional light here sitting on top. We have quite a lot of speakers. We have something really cool also here. Let me show you. And here we go, guys. Look at this. We have a screen moving all the way inside of the car. It's pretty cool. It's a foldable screen. Mercedes-Benz is the first to put that inside a vision car. Imagine having this in a production car. Look at that. Wow. Doesn't even stop. It's so huge. And then we have the relaxing mode here. We have quite a lot of projections also here, down there, on the other side, and a few on top, projecting all of these lights and the entire ambient in the interior. Just look at this. This is so cool. And then you can also tilt down both seats to have the perfect relaxation mode. And here we have it. Look at that. It's a two-seater at this point. This is the highest option, luxury interior, perfect chauffeur car. Just imagine relaxing here, watching TV, movies. You can even connect it with the PlayStation or Xbox and start gaming. It's all up to you. But yeah, let me just jump inside and give you a POV look of what it feels like. I mean, at this point, I don't even want to be driving. I want to sit right here. Let me just jump inside. We have the step board. Then we just, just look at that. We have anything you wish and ask for. We have these seats here. Everything is all finished in white. In the inside, we have this chandelier sitting on top. And just look at the projection. Here you see it on the roof. It's pretty cool. We have 7 projectors in total, giving us a really cool ambiance in the inside. Here you can actually see and spot the projector. Even projects on my hand. We even have a chess set here on the side. The Burmester speakers. We have some cups. Even inside here we have a tray table, which actually is the board to play chess. It's pretty cool. So 65-inch screen here. It's all foldable. It's crazy. The way it also moves all the way inside again, fully covered here, is spectacular. At this point, Mercedes-Benz, yet again, the first to do it. I love it. I mean, the inside is so spacious. It's a lot of space. You can put the seats down, relax. 2 seats here. This is the highest option, the most luxurious one, with the first class seats in the back. I mean, inside here you travel in style. Full luxury mode is on this point. Even as a driver sitting here with this view here, pillar to pillar, interior display unit, MBOS, latest infotainment, pretty nice view also here. We even have the latest steering wheel. Everything is finished in white and so cool. A lot of space, yet again. I mean, Mercedes-Benz is just doing what they can do best, and it's luxury, obviously. So here we have the entrance board, Vision V. This is the driver's POV. It's pretty cool also the way they actually shaped it. We have these units here on the left and right hand side merging with the power domes in the front. It's pretty cool the way they did it. Pillar to pillar screen here. The interior, the entire setup. It's quite comfortable, very spacious and extremely luxurious, especially here. Just look at that. We have the sunglasses right inside. What? And the Burmester speaker covers. Where else did you get that? And additionally, you also have a display and a screen here. Just look at that. You can individually put whatever you like. Let me show you. So just as an example here, you can see welcome Mr. Benz, and you can put whatever you like, animations, your emblem, logos, whatever. This is pretty cool, especially when welcoming high profile individuals, which I am not. And the inside is really cool. Just the way it actually welcomes you. We have the screen actually moving all the way inside here. You can actually see through here the way it actually bends and moves all the way inside. Then we have this cover here closing it all off, and yeah, this is just so sick. So here you have an example of how you can actually spend a drive inside this Vision V. As we have the chess set on the side here, pretty cool. You have these tray tables which actually move into the chess board. Pretty cool. You even have space for your cups here, and you can just enjoy a game of chess with your passenger in style. This is so cool. And as soon as you just want to eat something, you just fold it open, and you have some space to eat or put your laptop, tablet, whatever, and just start working and hustling. This inside is so cool. We have a lot of speakers. We have Dolby Atmos in the inside, a lot of projectors. I mean, the inside here, the experience of this Vision V-Class interior, especially when sitting in the back and driving around, is, I think, the most luxurious in terms of space and seating position, especially. I mean, if you have a Maybach, you're actually sitting way lower, and also here you have so much more headroom and space in general. As I mentioned, you can also just move the seat all the way down and have the perfect position to sleep. Technically, I can even spend a night here with even 4 of my friends, but this is actually just made for driving 2 people only. And I think in the future we'll have a few more options with maybe 4 seats in the back, but this is the high-end first-class experience inside the Vision V. How do you guys like it? So this is it for today's video. Full tour of the all-new Mercedes-Benz Vision V, and what are we thinking of it? I mean, Mercedes-Benz at this point is not just showing us a random concept. They are actually planning to build this car. By 2026 we will have the production version of the Vision V. As I mentioned, both full electric with the latest Mercedes-Benz electric architecture, the Van EA, and also as a regular combustion engine car. And at this point, yet again, need to double mention it. Mercedes-Benz is not even calling it a van at this point. They are calling it an ultra luxury limousine. This is quite an experience, especially when looking at this crazy interior, the entire setup. I mean, if Mercedes-Benz is going to bring this on the streets, and I've mentioned it quite a lot of times, there is a market for that. There is a market for that. There's quite a lot of fake Mercedes Maybach V-Classes driving around in China or in the US. I've seen a lot of them, and I think Mercedes-Benz would sell these like hotcakes, especially for the high-class luxury elite. They need something like this. This spacious, first-class interior experience like this. Can't wait to show you the production version, maybe in the future. Mercedes-Benz saying until 2026, so we need to wait for that. But just as a first touch point, I think Mercedes-Benz is going the right direction. What do you guys think about the design in general? For me, it looks quite nice, very dominant, yet again, quite sleek and very sporty. And I think this will be selling quite well. What do you guys think? Please share your comments in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you guys an amazing day. I will be back